In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Security. Then scroll again to tap on Face Unlock, enter your screen lock and hit Enroll Face. Finally wait 5 seconds and choose Next. Then keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions on your screen. When you finished, tap on one of those options and then select Done. Now manage all of those however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can set Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!